In this training video, we'll be going over starting a new project. So as you can see, we're in projects and we're on the projects page, otherwise known as the index page. So these are all your jobs. Okay, so we're going to start a new project. So this is how you do it. Click on New Project, and that side button. This pops down, and these are all the forms that you can use potentially. Usually you won't use this one unless your work was stopped for some reason. So I'm going to just deselect that one. So you can deselect or select. So these are all the forms that I'm going to choose for this job. Okay, you deselect the ones that you do not want to use. When you're done with that, just save. It's that easy. Okay, now you can see that we're brought to the call report, and so automatically today's date is filled in, and if the date of the loss is the same date, then do that, and if you want to start the job, do that, and then the rest is self-explanatory and also in another video. So you do want to put a name in, obviously, so let's do Charlie Rose, and I'll just put in a quick address here. Okay, just for anything, just to start this. And select your date, your state, and your zip code. Okay, you can go further, but this is for demonstration purposes. Okay, so just like that, I've started the job, and I'm going to, you have your project type and all that as well. Okay, you can also bring the name over. Like I've said in the other videos, this is the contact name, which may not be the owner, but if it is the owner insured, and it's the same name, click there, and it'll bring it over for you. If the billing address is still the same, click that over, and it's the same. But sometimes the contact person is different from the owner, but this is how you make it the same. Okay, so now, again, we just started a project, so I'm going to go back to our projects page, in other words, all the jobs that are going, and you can see there it is. Charlie Rose is right there. His street, if I would have put a phone number, who is assigned to, which you would see that on your call report, and then in progress, the status, the type of a job, if it was mitigation or fire, dry timer if you activated it, and when it was created. As I was saying, when we did that today, so it automatically put today's date. And then of course if you needed to erase that job for whatever reason. But this is how you create a new project. Going over it again, you are on your projects page, your jobs in other words, and that's where you would click and get started. Okay, I'll do it one more time. You'd pick your forms, okay, and that defaults, that'll stay off automatically because it remembers where you last what you last checked off. This may be all the forms you just want to use. Save it again, and then fill out the pertinent information. Okay, and then of course it's going to come back to the projects page. You'll see NA in this one because I didn't put the name in. Okay, and that's how you put in a new job. So you saw me do Charlie Rose and then this quick little demonstration right here. And that's how a new project is entered. To your success, and thank you for watching.